If you want to schedule battery saver on Motorola Edge 70, here's what you can do. First of all, we need to open settings. Next, in settings, we can scroll down in order to find battery. And then in battery, we're gonna go to battery saver. In here we have schedule and reminders. So here we can find some settings that are related to scheduling the battery saver when it should be automatically enabled. So in here we have set the default battery level. So over here we can choose how much percent of the battery or in what percentage when the battery drops to the selected percentage when it should be activated, the battery saver, of course. So if we set it to, let's say, 30%, once the battery drops to 30%, the battery saver will be automatically enabled. And also we have turn off at 90%, so when you are charging your phone, if the battery reaches 90%, then the battery saver, if it's enabled, of course, it will be deactivated. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.